think art and design are two different disciplines. If you can create art that incorporates a certain degree of functionality, or design that incorporates these more emotional components, then hopefully you're enriching both disciplines in parallel. Hi, my name is Sebastian Errázuriz, and we're at R & Company. It's a design gallery based in New York City. This box is called Magistral, and it's made from 10,000 corn dog skewers. This one needed to look like either a hedgehog or some sort of a protecting fur, so that it would seem like it was protecting your belongings. We made this very crude video, probably with my phone. We posted the video online, and the video had sound. You could hear the tick of all the pieces moving together, each one pulling each other. And we immediately had requests from all sorts of press that they wanted this video, and then everyone on social media wanted the video. And that was the first time that I realized I was onto something. Finally, the gaps in between are quite aesthetical, but really you won't have a book that's thin enough to fall through them. So more or less everything obeys a logic as opposed to aesthetics. And I believe if we can constantly revisit the idea of the box and break it down in a variety of different formulas, we're always inviting the audience to understand that whatever your constraints are, there is always a way to hack them.